Hi, now I'll show you how to use promotion code at the eventbrite website. Why don't you go to registration page, our idrone case, type www.idroneprogram.org/KSEA. And if you scroll down, you can see registration link. Just click and you can direct to the registration page at Eventbrite and click ticket in here, and you can select uh, the ticket in here, for example one, and you see the price information on the right side. So if you get closer in here, there is a enter promo code, very tiny teeny text, right? Why don't you click this one and type idrone KSEA 2021. This is our promotion code, right? And then click apply. And you can see your price has been changed, right? And then you can click next, checkout to proceed to complete your registration. That's all. It's easy. Now it's your turn. Thanks.